Genesis 23, the death of Sarah. Verse 1. Sarah lived to be 127 years old. Verse 2. She died at Kiriath Arba, that is, Hebron, in the land of Canaan. And Abraham went to mourn for Sarah, and to weep over her. Verse 3. Then Abraham rose from beside his dead wife, and spoke to the Hittites. He said, verse 4, I am a foreigner and a stranger among you. Sell me some property for a burial site here, so I can bury my dead. Verse 5. The Hittites replied to Abraham. Verse 6. Sir, listen to us. You are a mighty prince among us. Bury your dead in the choicest of our tombs. None of us will refuse you his tomb for burying your dead. Verse 7. Then Abraham rose and bowed down before the people of the land, the Hittites. Verse 8. He said to them, If you are willing to let me bury my dead, listen to me and intercede with Ephron, son of Zohar, on my behalf. Verse 9. So he will sell me the cave of Machpelah, which belongs to him, and is at the end of his field. Ask him to sell it to me for the full price as a burial site among you. Verse 10. Ephron the Hittite was sitting among his people, and he replied to Abraham in the hearing of all the Hittites who had come to the gate of his city. Verse 11. No, my lord, he said, listen to me. I give you the field, and I give you the cave that is in it. I give it to you in the presence of my people. Bury your dead. Verse 12. Again, Abraham bowed down before the people of the land. Verse 13. And he said to Ephron in their hearing, Listen to me if you will. I will pay the price of the field. Accept it from me so I can bury my dead there. Verse 14. Ephron answered Abraham. Verse 15. Listen to me, my lord. The land is worth 400 shekels of silver. But what is that between you and me? Bury your dead. Verse 16. Abraham agreed to Ephron's terms and weighed out for him the price he had named in the hearing of the Hittites, 400 shekels of silver, according to the weight current among the merchants. Verse 17. So Ephron's field in Machpelah near Mamre, both the field and the cave in it, and all the trees within the borders of the field, was deeded. Verse 18. To Abraham as his property in the presence of all the Hittites who had come to the gate of the city. Verse 19. Afterward, Abraham buried his wife Sarah in the cave in the field of Machpelah near Mamre, which is at Hebron in the land of Canaan. Verse 20. So the field and the cave in it were deeded to Abraham by the Hittites as a burial site. This is the end of the reading of Genesis chapter 23. We are a young channel, so please check the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.